This is how you can hide posts on Facebook. So launch the Facebook app on your profile. If there is any post you don't want to see from anyone, simply head to the post. Next to the post are three dots. Click on the three dots next to the post. You can see hide post. If you're hiding this post, you will see fewer posts from this person. If you're hiding all from this person, it means that you will stop seeing posts from this person. You can do this on a personal Facebook account. You can do it on a page. You can do it on a group. This is a Facebook group. If I want to stop seeing this person's post, I can simply hide the post. If I don't want to see any of her posts again, I will hide all from this person. Then I will stop seeing posts from him or her. You can either hide the posts to see fewer posts, or you can hide all to stop seeing posts from this person. This is how you can hide posts on Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye bye.